Well, here we are in my bathroom. Please excuse the obnoxiously loud exhaust fan. As you can see, the pink toilet is going back in for the time being until I can get a white toilet or some other color. This thing's been failing recently. I think there might be mineral buildup in the flush pad, the rim jets, or even the siphon jet. I tried flushing vinegar down it. Also, Lysol Black Label toilet bowl cleaner, which is meant for lime and rust. I've let it sit there, and apparently it's gotten worse. I tried leveling the toilet bowl and even raising the level in a tank, and this is what I'm getting here. In fact, the last time I flushed it, see? And it's not the drain line that's doing that. And the last time I flushed it damn near overflowed, and I had to flush it twice to clear waste down it. And these toilets perform way better than this, so I'm starting to think that there's a manufacturing defect with this bowl. So we're going back to the pink Compton. Alrighty.